Today's adventure brings us to J&S Sweet Savory in Pine Mountain, Georgia. And I just have to try one of those beautiful cupcakes there. I believe I'm going to try one of these peppermint cupcakes here at J&S Sweet and Savory in Pine Mountain, Georgia. I'm just about to try a delicious peppermint cupcake here. Okay, I've just cut into this beautiful cupcake. It looks very delicious. It has a two-toned vanilla. Let me go ahead and try it. It has like a peppermint twist or a peppermint infusion in the vanilla cake down there. And the icing is 100% peppermint with a beautiful peppermint piece on top. Okay, now let me try it. Since I'm having this with coffee, let me try it. This is good. You can really taste the peppermint in that icing and the vanilla cake below. It has a very, very candy cane peppermint flavor. Very smooth, very rich. It has peppermint in the center. You can see down there. It's very, very, very Christmassy. I can feel the warmth in this icing. I can feel the warmth all over this cupcake. Very Christmassy, very peppermint. I'm reminded of a candy cane when I eat it. Very good. This has a very warm flavor. Very candy cane, very peppermint. There's really a lot going on in this cupcake. I really love it. The peppermint cupcake right here at J&S Sweet and Savory. And it's very Christmassy. I love it. I love this peppermint. It's very fun. This is the sweet potato cupcake. And I'm going to open it up and show you how it tastes. The sweet potato. This is the detail, up close, of the delicious sweet potato cupcake here at J&S Sweet and Savory. The garnish on the top is pie crust. It has a pie crust flavor. It's really good. I just bit off one. It's really, really good. It's got a great flavor. Let me go ahead and dig in and tell y'all how it tastes. Okay. That is so good. That is so, so good. So good. Now this tastes just like a sweet potato pie. It's very moist in the center. The icing even tastes like a sweet potato. And if anyone's ever tried sweet potato pie, it tastes exactly like sweet potato pie, but a little bit better. It's so delicious. It's even better with coffee. I'm going to take another bite. Yes, I love the sweet potato cupcake. Absolutely love it. It's very heartwarming. Very, feels like you're at home eating grandma's pie. And it's especially good with coffee. Very, very delicious. Very delicious. And with the icing and the garnish on the top, it really works well together. It's really a great cupcake. I love it. So you can also get candied apples here. Okay. And they come in a pretty little box. That's pretty with the little bow on top. That's beautiful. I like that. I'm going to eat another bite of this. This is heavenly. I love it very, very much. This is a fun cupcake. The frosting is an eggnog flavor. So it has a little eggnog flavor to it. Really good with that cupcake. Like I said, this is a really fun cupcake here at J&S Sweet and Savory in Pine Mountain, Georgia. And I'm enjoying desserts tonight at J&S Sweet and Savory here in Pine Mountain, Georgia. So delicious. Carrot cake is my favorite. Banana pudding cupcakes. Sweet potato, that's the one I just reviewed. It's so delicious. Chocolate chip chocolate chunk. Key lime on the right, raspberry cheesecake on the center, and mounds on the left. Of course, she has a selection of cheesecakes, even raspberry cheesecakes. You can come by and pick you up a whole sweet potato pie. She has party time vanilla. Those are really good. Red velvet cupcakes. Lemon curd and raspberry. And delicious mounds. Snickers. Delicious key lime. Peanut butter cup. And my favorite, peppermint cupcake with a very delicious peppermint flavor. If you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And most importantly, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.